संसारदावा नलितलोका त्रणय कारुण्यघनघनत्वम् प्राप्तस्य कल्याणगुणार्णवस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् महाप्रभु कीर्तनृत्यगीतम् वादित्रमार्जान् मनसोरसेन रोमाञ्चकाम्पाश्रुतरङ्गभाजं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् श्रीविग्रहाराधननित्यनानं शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादं युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् चतुर्विधा श्रीं भगवत्प्रसादं स्वादान्नतृप्तं हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भजत सदैवं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् श्रीराधिका माधवयोरपायो माधुर्यलीला गुणरूपनाम्नां प्रतीक्षणास्वादनलोलुपस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् निकुञ्जयोनोरतिकेलिसिद्धै यायालिभिर्युक्तिरपेक्षणीयं तत्रातिदक्ष्या ततिवल्लभस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् साक्षाद्धरित्वेन समस्तशास्त्रैः युक्तस्तदा भव्यतेन साद्भिः किन्तु प्रभूय प्रियैव तस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम् यस्य प्रसादो भगवत्प्रसादं यस्या प्रसादो न गति कुतोऽपि ध्यायां तु वां तस्य यस्य त्रिसान्द्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्. So Sadhguru, Shri Guru, he's seeing Bhagavan. He's always with Bhagavan. He's like a cloud, giving us showers of Krishna, soothing, cooling showers of Krishna. He's giving us Krishna. And he's always engaged in the loving service of Bhagavan. Bhagavan in the Nama, Bhagavan in the Shri Vigraha, Bhagavan in the heart of all living entities everywhere. He is seeing only Bhagavan. He is seeing only Bhagavan. Stavara Jangama Deke, Na Deke Taramurti. Though he is seeing the forms, a human form, animal form, tree form, this form, that form, they are only just mere background. But he's actually seeing his Ishtadeva, Ishtadevata Spurti. He is in reality. That's reality. No, not that. This is reality. This is reality. Bhagavan is here. This is reality. So reality, Sadhguru is in reality. He's with Bhagavan Shri Radhika Madhava and always relishing Seva. Sevananda to Shri Radhika Madhava. Relishing the Rupa Guna Leela of Radhika Madhava. So he is in the reality. He is in beautiful reality of Krishna. He's Radhika Prisaki and he has come down as Krishna Kripa Shri Murti to each one of us to bring us into this reality, beautiful Krishna reality. Just this reality can dispel all the miseries. It's not that we have to do something outside to get rid of the miseries. When Sadhguru, Shri Guru very mercifully places us in the reality, the beautiful reality, the world of Krishna, Krishna Samsara. So in this way, the mercy of Bhagavan is coming through mercy of the sadhu. Because see, it is this sadhu that places us in Krishna's reality. Beautiful Krishna reality. Acharya Chaitya Vapusa Swagatim Vyanakta. Such a mercy from Bhagavan. Krishna Kripa Shri Murti. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Shri Guru Charana Padumam Kevalabhakati Sadumam Bandamuye Savadhanamate Jaharam Prasadem Bai Bhavatoriya Jaham Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaham Hoite. Krishna Prapti happens here. Shri Guru Charane Guru Mukha Padma Vakyam Chittite Kori Aikyam Arana Kori Ho Mani Asham Shri Guru Charane Ratim Aise Uttamangatim Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asham. As Srila Prabhupada says, Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Surrender into the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Oh, Acharya Bhagavan, you are showing us the truth. You are showing us Krishna. When the Vani of the Acharya comes and sits in the Chitta, that's it. Shri Guru Charanai Rati Aise Uttamagati Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asha. This is the only thing that we need in this material world. The Vani of the Acharya, when it comes, sits in the Chitta. Chakshudan dilo jai janme janme prabhu se. Divya Jnan Hriday Prakashita. Prema Bhakti Jaha Hoite Avidya Vinasha Jate. Vedikaya Hara Charito. That's the moment of Diwali in the heart. Whoa! You've dispelled the darkness. You've given Krishna. All the darkness is gone. Not just that. Prema Bhakti in the heart. This is a Diwali moment for the soul. Acharya Bhagavan. Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Jannara Bandhu Lokanath Lokera Jivana Ha Prabhu Koro Daya Deha More Padachayam Ebijashku Shutri Bhuvana Srila Prabhupada Patita Pavana Gurudev Hoyilo Sharana Jai Prabhupadam Jaya Prabhupadam Jaya Prabhupada Srila Prabhupada Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva Jaya Guru Deva. Only business is to just wake up to this fact. And when they show us Krishna, and then just continuation of the business is wake up others to this fact. Hey, Acharya Bhagavan is here. He's showing Krishna. Wake up, wake up. That's all. Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. All the Vaishnavas are very dear to Govinda. Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas, taking the dust from the lotus feet of Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. What would you do when Acharya Bhagavan Shri Guru is giving darshan of Krishna? You would just dance in joy. Krishna everywhere. ವೈಷ್ಣವೇರ ಪಾದಧೂಳಿ ತಾಹೆ ಮೋರ ಸ್ನಾನ ಕೇಳಿ ತರ್ಪಣ್ ಮೋರ ವೈಷ್ಣವೇರ ನಾಮ ಧನ ಮೋರ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ ಪತಿ ಮೋರ ಗೌರಚಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಾಣ ಮೋರ ಯುಗಳ ಕಿಶೋರ. Bhakti is not a process of cultivation. Oh, it can come to mode of goodness somehow. Cultivate, discipline, cultivate. It comes to mode of goodness. But the bhakti actually is just a process of receiving, that's all. Receiving the descending mercy. And that's how Chakshudan Diloje happens. Receive, humbly receive, gratefully receive, that's all. वृंदाय तुलसी देव्याय प्रियाय केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवते नमो नमः. Land of divine love, we are brought here. We cannot make our way here by cultivation, by doing this, by doing something with what we have. We can't come here. We simply receive and we are brought here. Receive the mercy. Receive Krishna as is given. तुलसी कृष्ण प्रेयसी नमो नमः. राधा कृष्ण सेवा पावो ए अभिलाषी. ए तुम्हारा शरणालोई तारा वांछ पूर्ण होई. कृपा कोरी कोरो तारे वृंदावन वासी. मोरे अभिलाष विलास कुंज दियो वास. नयने हरिबो साधम युगल रूप रासी. ए निवेदन धारो सखीरनुगता कोरुम. सेवाधिकारो दियं करोमि च दासे. दीन कृष्ण दासे होई एयेन मोरा होई. श्री राधा गोविंद प्रेम सदायेन बासी. This is such a beautiful land of divine love. How can I come here, please, to the groves of Vrindavana? Ve Dvandva Moha Nirmukta Bhajante Mam Dridhavrataha. Tesham tu antagatam papam jananam punya karmanam te dvandva moha nirmukta bhajante mam dridhavrataha. Tesham tu antagatam papam. When the sinful tendencies going away, jananam punya karmanam, when the jiva is accumulating lot of piety, te dvandva moha nirmukta. When will that dvandva moha nirmukta happen? When will the jiva be free of dvandva, duality, and moha, illusion? Duality is what? Seeing something other than Krishna. There is nothing other than Krishna. Illusion is what? Feeling something other than Krishna, being with something other than Krishna. There is nothing other than Krishna. When will that happen to us? When there is great attachment to the sadhu and nama, then we see that there is only one reality. Great attachment to the sadhu, sadhuvani. This sadhuvani places us in the nama. Then we see, oh, holy name is everything. There is nothing that is not holy name. There is nothing that is not Krishna. Only then dvandva moha nirmukta happens. When there is that great fond attachment. You know, with attachment means, okay, I get attached to the Vani of Sadhu. A business deal ne. Attachment is, there are mellows in there. There is great faith, great respect, great love from the heart. Yeah, to a sadhu. Those changes in the soul, those changes in the soul are needed. Then only Dvandva Moha Nirmukta happens. Then they will bring us to this groves of Vrindavan, land of divine love.